Chetan Bhagat worked his magic when he wrote the book 5 Point Someone. And as you know, it's been nothing but a bestseller ever since. So I'm excited to see the Avam's interpretation of the same. Chetan Bhagat's 5 Point Someone could well go down in Indian history as the only book to be converted into a play and looped into a script of a blockbuster movie in less than 6 years since its publishing.
हम क्या बनना चाहते थे? किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं।
What are your favorite moments from the play? And since you're the narrator, could you give us a couple of your favorite lines?
Favorite moments, there are lots. One, if I had to pick one, then it has to be the fight between the two friends, Alok and Ryan, the first time. It's a very intense thing. It's something that we've all undergone in college and stuff like that. In terms of lines, this is one bit where Hari screws up Viva, and the prof calls him a commerce student. Having been from an engineering background, you know how much of an insult that is. So, yeah, that's my favorite line.
Now Evam has made its mark through its version of 5 Point Someone. If you've read the book, you'd be happy to know they've stuck by most of it, with slight surprises in between that will offend no fan. The audience at Shivagami Patachi was thoroughly impressed with the laugh riot that humoured the life of students in India's most prestigious institutions.
It's fiction.
Yeah, but we could have them someday.
Really? Huh? Time travel, no? You really think one day we can have time travel?
You never know, alright?
Hasta vista, baby.
Hey, Rahul, we have a surprise epic quiz tomorrow, yaar.
What? Are you sure it's tomorrow?
It's a surprise quiz, Hari. How can I be sure, yaar? But the entire wing is preparing for it. I told you this Terminator thing was a bad idea, yaar. How was I to know, alright? Anyway, why are you taking our tension? It's not our tension, yaar. It's all relative grading. So if they're studying and we're not, we're all screwed. Okay, sir. Let us mug and cramp. That's what we do anyways, right?
You've got a packed house here. How does it feel doing 5 Point Someone through Evam once again?
Oh, feels brilliant because, I mean, we were hoping to go on to a national tour with this play, and that's exactly what we have done. And in fact, we have come to Chennai after touring to 5 cities. So it's fantastic to have a house full. I think Chetan captures the essence of the young Indian urban life very, very nicely. And I think all his protagonists are people with a little bit of fault, like all of us, you know. So it's beautiful as he has conceived those characters. And them being from a college life, speaking the language as we speak, I think that's what makes it for such interesting chemistry and humor. So right from the whole interaction between Hari and Neha, as to how that love story really progresses, to the fear of Cherian and the system, and their whole drunken scenes. I think those are the highlights of the play. Yeah.
The casting has to be appreciated, and everyone seemed to be in love with Ryan Oberoi for the most obvious of reasons. The character essayed by Ryan is that of a young, unfairly good-looking, confident boy, and boy did Avinash play out his part to perfection or what. This is Avinash, who's going to give us a little insight on why he's working with Evam and his character. So, Avinash, how long have you been with Evam? And also give us a little bit about the intricate details about your character and why you enjoy playing it most.
Alright, so I've been with Evam for about 5 months now, which starts with the practice that we did for this play. So this is the first play I'm working with Evam.
Oh.
Yeah, so before this I was with another theatre group. I've dabbled with theatre for about a year and a half. But this is the biggest production I'm working with, so I'm really excited about that. And this role is especially exciting because Ryan is one of the coolest guys amongst the three. And he's the kind of guy who smokes and does vodka and dope and everything in college. And you know, the kind of guy that I probably wanted to be when I was in college but never did. So now I get a chance to do that on stage, which is really exciting.
Okay. Well, Avinash says that Ryan is the coolest guy, so let's take a look at what he's trying to say. Though the play is humorous, it slips into some dark moments when it comes to the families of the main characters. The plot is tightly knit and steeped in punchy dialogues. Without too many props, the performers succeeded in exuding powerful emotions on stage. Theatre lovers enjoyed the 150-minute play and seemed immersed in it. I'm guessing you're pretty much like the funny guy in this whole play. You seem to have that element in you. Am I wrong?
You are wrong, because I'm the guy who whines and cribs about his marks. So on stage, I'm absolutely different from what I am backstage. But I guess that's what acting's all about, right?
Okay. What is it about Avam that you like most? And since they've produced so many beautiful plays, we've all enjoyed it. Give us your take on that.
See, for me, really, Avam's been a great stress buster. I'm actually a corporate by day, and I do theatre at night. So Avam's been a great experience for me because it's so much fun. And that's basically it. It's a lot of fun people coming together to do great fun stuff.
Neha, can I have your phone number, please?
All in all, Avam's 20-second execution of 5 Point Someone was powerful in its content and evocative in its performance.
Ah, finally some hope.
Avam's done a fantastic job with 5 Point Someone, but theatre doesn't stop just here, I can promise you that. Coming up right after the break, there's a big surprise waiting for you. The Masquerade Theatre Group goes solo at the Alliance Francaise of Madras.